I noticed a problem in the printing of these things. This one seems to be doing great. Although the other one, it's like my thing is turning into a version of Spaceballs, not Death Star construction, because it's chugging along, and I think I've got. I thought I ran out of filament, but nope, there's plenty of filament. It's just all fucking tangled up somewhere. Oh, that's what I get for using very old filament and not untangling it first. Shit. Oh, we can stop here. Problems with the Death Star. Yikes, that's this. That's a good test print with the whatever this is called. PETG. I'm doing that one with PETG and PLA on this